Hi there, thank you for clicking. If you're new here, we post wigs, hairstyle and beauty videos, wig tutorials, everything in between, trendy stuff. So aside the fact that I post hairstyle videos, I also make wigs, braided wigs. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to part my lock wig. Yes, so this is the center part. You can part it center part. You can do a side parting, as you can see, side parting to any side, either by your right or by your left. To order this wig, just chat me up with the number I'm going to put in the comment section, or you can just go to my channel about. You're going to see a direct link to my WhatsApp to get this wig. Very beautiful lock wig. Yes, you don't need to bother about locking your natural hair. All you have to do, just get this wig and you are good to go. You can send your own hairstyle. Yes, you can send your own style of hair if you did not see any on my channel. And for those who will be expecting me, I'm going to post tutorial on how I made this wig. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you've not subscribed, do subscribe. I've not started posting regularly because I want to get monetized first. So you guys need to just watch my video to the end, so that I will quickly get monetized by YouTube, and then so I can be able to post my wig tutorials. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.